Hi, my name is Mayra. I'm going by Yucati. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Corona, and I'm here with Piloteando.
Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy, Big Abe, chilling over here at the Chaos Car Show, Toy Drive. Man, I just walked by the front entrance. Gang of toys already collected for these homeless kids, you know what I'm saying? That's all we gotta do for these holidays, you know what I'm saying? 2013, be sure you check me out at all the car shows, you know, doing what I do, rocking the big rim around my neck, you know? And you know, this show, live, you know what I'm saying? For a good cause. Collecting toys, collecting canned food for the homeless. That's all we gotta do for the holidays. Gotta give a shout out to Piloteando TV, you know what I'm saying, for doing this, giving some good coverage. And if you want to check me out in 2013, make sure you see me at the car shows. Big A.
No, tienen mecos, güey. No te muevas, güey. Y aquí con nuestro compa Junior de Swift Car Club. ¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo estás, güey?
Bien, aquí Javier Ira, aquí en Street Chaos, en el show, a beneficio de los niños, algo diferente en carros de import, algo diferente a nosotros, que pues, nosotros somos DAF más que nada. Entonces, esto es algo muy diferente a nosotros.
Al final de cuentas son carros, güey.
Pues sí, son carros, pero pues, son modificados en motor, en rines chicos, algo
más performance, eso es otro, pues nada que ver con los DAF.
No.
Ustedes puro customize, desmadrar los carros, hacerlos que lo más maníaco posible y esa es la cura de los DAF, ¿no?
Y sí, para hacer nosotros diferentes en los rines, tú sabes, la pintura, los dibujos es algo muy diferente a nosotros, pero pues es algo diferente.
Oye, ¿qué viene para Swift este 2013? ¿Qué nos puedes platicar?
Pues venimos fuertes si Dios quiere, venimos fuertes con muchos de los carros, están en el taller, nosotros de All Street Orange County vamos a empezar, si Dios quiere, fuerte este año. Miembros que pues éramos de otros car club, pero vamos a empezar fuerte, a ver cómo nos va, gracias a Dios, pero Swift 2013 viene fuerte si Dios quiere.
Un saludo a la raza que te está viendo a través de Piloteando.
Pues un saludo a todos de Piloteando aquí, Swift Car Club, LH Orange County, Inland Empire y todo alrededor de Swift Car Club.
¡Vámonos!
My name is Mike. We came from NRT Racing, coming down here, and we have a lot of fun down here. This event, we have a lot of show coming up right here. A lot of nice car, and everybody having fun here. We have 11 cars here coming down today. Come here, bro.
Aquí le estoy dando un shout out aquí a Piloteando para todos los que están mirando. Aquí de NRT Racing, parte de Mike y todos los Street Chaos, todos los carros y que se la pasen bien.
What's going on? It's your boy JT, CEO of Street Toys. We out here at the JDM Addiction Street Chaos Car Show with the Muscle and JDM versus Import and Domestic. We out here having a good time with the toy drive and raising toys for charity and everything. And you know, we out here pretty deep and everything, you know, representing Street Toys as we always do. Just want to give a shout out to all the clubs out here. Everybody's looking good, whether it's Import, JDM, Domestic, Muscle, everybody's looking good. So shout out to everybody out here. Shout out to Piloteando out here covering everything.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Gio, and this is my boy Andy and Joe. This is Team Ruckus. We're from Pasadena, California, 626 LA area. We're out here from SoCalEvo.net. We're known as Team Ruckus under Extreme Boost. A little bit about our car club is most of us are Lancer Evolutions. A lot of us got our cars tuned at Road Race Engineering. We're out here to have a good time. It's a good event, this Street Chaos event. You know, it's a good cause out here. You know, toys for tots too, and You know, we can't ask for anything better than to give back to our community as well while we're still having fun. And yeah, that's basically it. And we just want to give a shout out to Piloteando.tv for being at this event and coming around and showing us some love. And just thank you to everybody that participated in this event. And definitely want to give a shout out to our friends Action Clutch for being a big part of our team and for supporting us every step of the way. Thank you guys.
Hi, my name is Marissa Hiroko. I'm here with Sexy Assassins at the car show, taking pictures, hanging out with the gang, having a lot of fun.
Hi, my name is Jad. I'm the president of Sexy Assassins Car Crew. This is my friend Boss, also president of Team Ruckus. We're here doing a show, JDM and Import. We have friends from Team Action Clutch over here. And you know, it's a great industry, a great scene. Shout out to our team, Sexy Assassins, Team Ruckus, Action Clutch, and to Piloteando.tv for the coverage that they have. Thank you guys.
One thing I've noticed that everybody's here, you know, supporting themselves and supporting other teams all together. Nobody's, you know, getting into it. Everybody's getting along and supporting, you know, the show. Kids Ride. Long story. Long story, a lot of work. I'll say shout out to Infamous, Team Syndicate. Oh boy, the toy drive. Piloteando. Yeah. Piloteando TV. .tv, sorry. Piloteando.tv.
Hey, what's up? This is Rudy. I'm the president of Team Sick, and we're right here representing at Street Chaos Car Show. This is the Lexus, the IS350, and carbon fiber parts dropped on some BBSs, and we also brought the skateboard built by Rudy Did It. Man, this is an awesome show. There's a lot of JDM cars, real nice JDM cars, dub, and everything's here. I mean, everybody came out supporting, everybody came big, everybody was prepping for it, and everybody showed, you know, what they got, and everybody's here representing their team. Hey, what's up? This is Rudy. I'm sending some shout outs to Piloteando. Thanks a lot for the coverage and for all the media. Thank you.
Well, the show right now is good. A lot of cars, a lot of nice cars, fleshed out cars. Well, hopefully get more people in, you know, try to get the group bigger. Yeah, there's a Facebook page, it's called Ice Dance. And well, yeah, we're just trying to get more people in. You know, just have a decent car, you know, rims low, you know. This is Gio, this is Miguel, and Adrian, my brother. You know, this is the owner of the Integra. He has a Sentra and he has an EG.
Shout out to Jairo, who doesn't drive his car.
Shout out for toda la gente de Los Angeles.
Shout out to Southgate, Southeast Jaguar.
All the people in Southeast that represents Southgate, you know, everybody over there.
What's up? We're here at Street Chaos, you know, Single Cat representing. Shout out to Piloteando.tv.
Hey, what's up, people? My name is Steve. I'm out here representing at the Street Chaos show. Checking out the stage, checking out the homies, the girls. Got my red Toyota Corolla here representing the 8092s, the 88, 89 Corollas. And with the Piloteando television always. Hey, thank you very much for all the press from all the years, man. Got one of my cars pretty popular behind that. I really appreciate that. Hey, I'm with my team, Street Team Showcase, and with some of the rest of the buddies that I know from the import community. We just having a good time, man. Hey, hope you guys are enjoying yourself on Piloteando.
Muchas gracias a la invitación que nos dieron a Dare to Care for the Homeless aquí al Chaos Car Show. Estuvo fabuloso, fue extremo y les agradecemos mucho los juguetes, la comida que donaron. Fue un tiempo muy bueno, muchos carros estaban, fue un tiempo maravilloso y muchas gracias a Craig Borja para invitarnos aquí Y si ustedes gustan ser voluntarios, siempre necesitamos voluntarios para ayudar con cocinar, hacer distribución de comida y ropa. Y cualquier tipo de donación para la causa siempre es muy necesitado. El sitio de internet es D2C, D2C4H, D2C4H. Y puede encontrarnos en Facebook también en Dare to Care for the Homeless. Y nosotros hacemos distribución de comida y ropa para personas que no tienen donde vivir. También hacemos cortes de pelo gratis. Y si gustan unirse a nuestra causa, hacemos eso todo el año. Si quieren más información, pueden hablar al 310-613-8869. Dare to Care for the Homeless. Y muchas gracias a Piloteando por apoyarnos y dejar este mensaje para todos que quieren apoyar a la causa. Muchas gracias y feliz Navidad.
We just want to start off from 6 Speed Motorsports to say thank you very, very much to AW Collision for letting us host this big old car show here in Carson, California. We want to throw a big shout out to JDM Addiction. Thank you, Moser, for making this happen. We'd like to say thank you to Giancarlo and Kingsman Car Club for making this happen. They did too much work. Thank you for all the parking enforcement, all the vendors that came out here and put all this work out. We just can't wait to have you guys come out here again to another one of our events. We'd like to say gracias and thank you to Piloteando.tv for coming out here and having all this coverage on our car show. Thank you guys very much. Come visit us at 6speed.com. We'd like to see you guys soon. Thank you.